This segment is sponsored by Renewal by Anderson.
Are you finding it difficult to get relief from the summer heat inside your own home? It may be time to replace some of your windows and doors. Paige Jewell, local owner of Renewal by Anderson, joins us now to explain how they can make this happen with replacement windows and doors and provide comfort that you're looking for. He's also here to tell us about an amazing 1 month only sale. The savings are fantastic and you're not going to want to miss out on it. Hey, Pete.
Hey, Bill. Good to see you. Good to be here.
All right, let's talk about this. And I want to start at the beginning. For people who may not know, Renewal by Anderson is a full-service replacement window division of Anderson. I got that right, huh?
You got that right. Okay. We sure are. You know, Anderson's been around since 1903, so it's at 118 years now. So they've been making quality windows, the best windows money can buy since then. You've probably heard maybe your grandparents or your parents had a house with Anderson, and everybody says, go with Anderson. So with us being the full-service replacement window division and door division of Anderson, you can expect the same type of service you would expect from the Anderson name.
All right, and that's an important part of the whole thing. Now, your windows are made from an exclusive composite material called Fibrex, and a lot of research went into this material, didn't it?
Tons of research. Anderson spent over 3 decades trying to find the best solution for window materials. And they finally came upon Fibrex. And so 3 decades of research before it was ever put into a home. And it's been in homes now for 26 years. Yeah. So you can, they perfected it. It is the gold standard of window materials. It's a lot stronger than a vinyl window. It's strong and it's beautiful like a wood window without the maintenance. It's awesome.
And it's working.
And it's working, yes.
All right. All right, tell us about the special 1 month only sale that's going on right now.
The sale is huge. So yes, 1 month only through the end of this month. $325 off every single window, $850 off every patio door or entry door. And if you want to pay us by cash or check, we prefer check, not a much cash. You get an extra 3% off your project. Or if you'd like to use our special financing, we have 12 months, no interest, no payments. So it's a full year of not paying for your windows, basically.
Talking about windows a lot, you guys also sell custom-built front entry door systems, and that can add a lot more curb appeal to your home right now.
Yeah, your window, your doors, what you see every single day, that's your curb appeal to your house. And a lot of people don't realize maybe it needs some painting or whatnot, but how drafty and maybe insecure that door may be. So we can dress your house up, side lights, transoms, a bunch of different styles of doors. And so you can feel, not only have a beautiful door, but more energy efficient and way more secure than what you're used to.
And an expert team to put it all in. Thanks.
Exactly.
All right, always good to talk to you. Renewal by Anderson's 1 month only sale is going on right now through August 31st. Now you're going to save $325 on every window. $850 is what you'll save on every patio door and every entry door as well. Plus, get an extra 3% discount when you pay for your whole project with cash or check. Or finance your project and pay nothing for 1 full year. Call 1-800-589-6633 now or visit brandyoutrust.com to schedule your free window and door diagnosis. And stick around, there's more Virginia This Morning for you coming up next.